inside. We've got the computer hooked up to the car, and we're going to click on Vehicle Diagnostic, and we'll see if this is an auto ID. And I'm going to turn the key on, press enter. Okay, there it is. The computer automatically grabbed a hold of the onboard computer of the car. 2011 Chevy Cruze 1.4, is this correct? Absolutely, so we're going to click yes. And now it is communicating with the onboard computer. Okay. Alright, so it came up with one ECM code. So let's see what that is. Exhaust camshaft position actuator circuit. Okay, after I got that code P0013, as you can see right here, took it to the internet, did a little research, came up with this variable valve timing solenoid, and just another name for it, for this 1.4 liter Chevy Cruze. Right over here on your left hand side you see the picture of the actual solenoid. Okay, and what I'll do is I'll basically give you a 101 kind of explanation on what this does. The camshaft position actuator, or CPM, is controlled by the powertrain control module through a high control circuit as well as a low reference circuit, and it carries 12 volt pulse which modulates from the PCM to the CMP actuator solenoid in order to control the amount of engine oil flow to the actual cam phaser. Low reference circuit is used for the return, and the PCM has the ability to monitor the high control as well as the low control reference circuit. If the power control module detects an open circuit, which you can see right here it did, or a short to ground or a short to the voltage, the P0013 code will go off. Now the B, for example, right here refers to the exhaust or the right, and then the 1 indicates the side of the engine that contains cylinder number 1. Alright guys, again the 2011 Chevy Cruze. Let's show you exactly where this is on the engine. So reference the front portion of the engine. We're going to come on in here to the left side. Right there's your serpentine belt, and as you can see just above it, you got two solenoids. Funny story, the rear solenoid connected to the electrical output, or the connection point. Oddly enough, along the way, as you can see, the electrical connection point came undone on this solenoid. I can't tell you why or how, but what we're going to do is we're just going to connect it back to that little point there, and we're going to see if the check engine light goes out. Alright guys, inside the car right now, got the battery hooked back up. We actually took it for a long ride. One of the things I like to do before hooking up the computer to the car and resetting the check engine light, I like having that battery disconnected for a couple minutes and then connecting it and taking it for a long drive. This will give the engine computer time to communicate with the engine and see if it can fix it itself without hooking up the computer to it. And in this case, that's exactly what it did. So as we were driving, the computer sensed that the connection point was back on and the check engine light went off. We didn't even have to do anything else. So hey guys, like the video if it helps, subscribe to the channel, thanks.